Hi, it's a pretty cold day here at Punchbowl for the last of the Bankstown line. So as I already said, I'm at Punchbowl to film some trains, show you around, and it's basically do stuff. Well, the Bankstown line is still open. Not next time. So that's a lot of on. I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure that Punchbowl is one of the ones is on the station that Bankstown line trains to that. It's the metro.
Town Hall, Wynyard, Circular Quay.
So if you don't know, the Bankstown has been converted into a metro for some reason. The government wants. So it's gonna be here into the banks. See if there are Liverpool trains.
Birong, Regent's Park, Berala, and Lidcombe.
No, this is just Lidcombe. Bankstown, Liverpool's an express. Oh, I think I would come. It's in 1 minute. Let's see it come. It should be coming really soon. I think it's around like 5:30 or something. But anyway, it's a bit rainy today. It's Friday, and there should be a train coming in for Bankstown sound. I don't think we'll get any Liverpools. Well, two or four Liverpools. So, yeah. Yep. Metro doesn't stop and I need to catch that one. 8 minutes. How weird. Me too. Get a minute. I swear the power away. It's only 3 minutes to
Lidcombe via Bankstown. First stop Bankstown, then Yaguna, Birong, Regent's Park, Berala, and Lidcombe.
It's a Friday. That's why it's not like 1 PM or something. For watching, love you. And yeah, here's Punchbowl train. Come service.
If you feel unwell, don't risk boarding the train. Tell a member of staff straight away. They will know what to do.
Water B-set was made in 2019. B-set B34 made in 2021 to replace the C-set. Okay, who's gonna be get filler? Which you can see, I think you can see by these different bits. My banks, would come train departing.
The next train to arrive on platform 2 does not stop at this platform. Please stand behind.
So yeah, still going. We made the walls. It seems like there's an express before. Doing math, I miss it. Like I'm on a train. I'm just so mad. And then the station, the station is up on the stop on the train, back on the train.
T3 Bankstown line between Sydenham and Bankstown will close on the 30th of September. South West Link buses will provide a regular service between Sydenham and
So that's so
Bankstown.
light.
Buses are also temporarily replacing trains between Bankstown and Lidcombe. Plan ahead at Transport NSW.
Wait, this is a case set. I think it's a case set over there. Yes, it's a case set. Sorry for the spoilery. Camera's a bit worried. The case set should be coming in a tiny bit. Yeah, it's right there. Have to get some photos for this. Yes, case set. Hopefully I got at least one picture. Hey, NDP trailing. Okay, so they keep the doctor away. It's my quote. They were case sets.
Bankstown. First stop Bankstown, then Laguna.
No. And Lidcombe. So, good talk. Okay, so. What if I go on? Now, I guess what? I know what the train is gonna be. It's gonna be Walter Acer. Just watch. I know it's gonna be Walter Acer. I'm Magical House. It's gonna be Walter Acer. Just watching what else. So just gonna wait till the train comes. Oh, I think Bankstown went station. And I had a good look. The speed conversion. Okay, to a metro. I wonder how it's gonna look. That's in 1 year. Just watch. I know it's gonna be what I say. But it's not, it's definitely on the face. Alright, actually don't do that. I'm just gonna check when the train is. 1 minute. Yeah, told you what I said. What I said. Told you. I am not going to be right. Promise. I'm not going to be right.
Wynyard, Circular Quay, St James, and Museum.
A 4-hour journey to the station. I'm guessing is Wakemba. I'm just guessing it's Wakemba.
This station is Punchbowl.
That's what you thought about.
Doors closing. Please stand clear.
Anyway, thank you for watching.